Hi there. Here's the video for Project 6, Option 8. Option 8 is all about a stepper motor. Remember, a stepper motor is a DC motor that acts in steps, okay? It's got an encoder that allows it to have very controlled movements. Now, you can have it spinning, but it never spins really freely. It's always counting the number of steps, and it's always keeping track of its positions, and it's doing that through magnetization. All right, so let's take a look at this and see what you're going to do. You're going to make a video. Of course, you're going to identify yourself in your video. Of course, it's going to be a rehearsed video. You're going to make sure that it's working the way it's supposed to be working before you actually do the recording. But here's the code on the left-hand side. Here's all the memory registers, and you're supposed to click assemble to assemble it and then to run it. Here is the stepper motor. Here's the controller with the ports for output. You can see the wiring as it goes to the different magnets. And let's just go assemble and let's start run. And you'll see as it's running through here, notice the blue and the red. And watch what happens when things are magnetized. Aha! See, there's a half step there. Okay, there's a half step because you have minute control over it. And then when you demagnetize it, these ones, it actually gets attracted to these ones, right? So notice how you have these half steps where two pairs of magnets are trying to draw the cylinder inside that has the different polarity, drawing it around. It's really cool. You want to see it a little bit faster? Let's see it a little bit faster. There. See, opposite poles right here. There we go. A little bit faster. Let's do it faster even. Let's go even faster. There. There. This animation is amazing. Showing you which magnets are on. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, clearly, this is a stepper motor that is rotating in counterclockwise from our perspective, our point of view. It's going counterclockwise, right? Let's make it even faster. Okay, that's like my eyes are going buggy looking at this thing. All right. So it's perfectly programmed to work, all right, in half steps and go counterclockwise. Well, what do I want you to do? If it's a working program, what do you expect? What do I expect you to do? I expect you to make it turn clockwise. Clockwise. I want you to reprogram it. So this isn't turning counterclockwise, but it's actually causing the stepper motor to rotate clockwise. Of course, reprogram it, test it, make sure it's working perfectly well before you record your video. Know exactly what you're going to say, know your code inside out, all right? And make sure that you can explain to me how you made it rotate clockwise, okay? It's fantastic. I love this one.